What up everybody, it's your boy Frenchie. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the gang. I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 8. If you have ever had a problem with your iPhone 8 and you need it to be restarted, just follow these simple steps and it'll take no longer than 10 seconds. What you're going to need to do is make sure that your volume buttons both work, and with your power button. The first step is push the volume button up, then down, then hold the power button. So let's do it. Up, down, power button. Hold the power button until the iPhone fully resets and you see the logo. Once you see the logo, then you may take your finger off the button. As you guys can see, it is now resetting. Once this is complete, you have fully reset your iPhone. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and watch my recent video. That will be all. I hope this helped you guys. Roll the outro.